Hello kids. Let's say some colors. Light green, dark green, red, violet, sky blue, orange. Capital letter and small letter. Capital A. Small a. A for apple. Capital B. Small b. B for ball. Capital C. Small c. C for car. Capital D. Small d. D for dog. Capital E. Small e. E for engine. Capital F. Small f. F for fish. Capital A, small a. Capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. Capital E, small e. Capital F, small f.